Hey everybody, to do something really quick to demonstrate how everything that Bunny did in his previous video, how it works in Reborn, because it is a little bit different, I'm doing something really quick right now just to kind of demonstrate where those things are. If you want more detail, please go back and see Bunny's video about the specific settings. I'm just going to do something really quick so we all know where it's at so the games don't get hung up. Okay, so I'm on the main screen of Reborn right now, but over to the right you'll see I click on Play Dota, and up at the top is something that's easy to get lost. It's Lobby Games. You click on Lobby Games. If I were searching for specific lobbies, say I knew the lobby name, I would search for it here, but in order to create a lobby, I just click down here on Create Lobby. It's going to take you to the lobby settings. Now, one thing I want to bring your attention to, everything else in here, I can change after I create the lobby. Server location is the one thing that I need to create beforehand, so if that is known from whichever team has the choice for that particular match, they get to pick the server location. I have to set that up ahead of time. I can't change that once the lobby gets set up. That used to be different in Dota as we knew it. All of this stuff you'll notice has been kept from the last time I set this up. So that is very nice because it carries over from one to the next and you don't have to think through all of this every single time just to kind of do a quick check. But here you see I've got my WLDL test, it's captain's mode, here's my password, it's public, and in this case we're going to go US East, which is our default if nobody has a preference. Starting team, I pick whoever has that pick for this particular match. The penalties Bunny talked about, I'll defer to him. Don't worry about anything with bots. Spectators enabled, 2 minutes, and please, please, please select the We Like Dota League, and then you hit Create Lobby. At this point, you can begin to invite everybody to the lobby. Again, I want to point out, if I click on Edit, everything else I can change. I can say I accidentally set Dire starting team. I can say, oh, whoops, it needed to be Radiant, and I can change it here. Everything else is completely fine. The one thing that I cannot change is the server that I am on. If you are broadcasting, if you are a caster, you click on Broadcast Channels, and you have to create a new channel. It does not any longer have just a default 6 or whatever channels it was. And then you set in here, okay, I'm going to have Lihu's cast or whatever, and then I'm going to select my country, United States. It's going to be English, save as default settings. Okay. This I'm not completely sure about. Maybe it allows me to broadcast my face. I really don't want to do that, but that's enough there. But now we have my caster set up and we're ready to go. Everything else, again, I'm going to defer to Bunny, but this is really quick just to show you how to set it up so that you are ready to go. Alright, thanks a lot.